What's up everyone, Nabid Vedi here. Quick video, I'm going to talk to you guys about something new today, something really exciting that Facebook has secretly been rolling out. And the funny thing is, it's so powerful and yet not a lot of people are using it, something that only a couple of news outlets are leveraging. So what is it called? It's called instant articles, right? So what exactly is instant? I'm going to tell you that, but first I want to talk to you about a case study that Hootsuite did. So they started using instant articles for themselves, and they saw 37% increase in their reach, 22% increase in their shares, 83% increase in likes, and 57% increase in link clicks, right? So what exactly is an instant article, right? So Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook have been talking about this for a very long time, that they really don't want people to leave Facebook. They don't want people to move out of the Facebook website. They want all the content on Facebook inside your newsfeed. They've got videos and everything. Now, one of the most engaged kind of content on Facebook is articles, right? There are a bunch of news channels, bunch of people who share a lot of articles, right? Now the problem is, every time you as a user click on one of those articles that your friends are sharing, or the pages that you're following are sharing, you are moved away from Facebook, and Facebook does not like that, right? So they roll out something called instant articles. Now, what exactly is an instant article? Let me show it to you on this one. So this is a fan page for CNN. Now, if you look at the article right over here, this one about Christian Becker who refuses to make gay cake. Now, if I tap on this, I'm taken outside Facebook to edition.cnn.com, and it takes a lot of time to load this whole thing. See, the ads are low, there's a read more button, then there's more. So it takes a lot of time to load, especially when you're on a slow connection. So what Facebook did was give you the ability to create an instant article where the entire article is right inside Facebook, and it loads super fast. You can have autoplay videos, you can have GIFs, you can have your buttons, your opt-in forms, lots more. So this is an example of an instant article. The short answer, we don't know. Short: selfies hurt self-esteem, right? So if I click on this, if you'll see, notice it loads super fast, and they've got the sponsored ad that loads up super fast. Everything is much cleaner, nicer, and you can have your own ads and everything. I'll show you another one right here. Super fast. You can have an autoplay video, and it loads super fast, right? You can have Instagram ads, you can have more ads. You can even drop in your opt-in forms. You can drop in your buy buttons, links to your sales page, squeeze page, or whatever you want, right? So you can even connect your Twitter account, embed your tweets, your friends' tweets, anything. So instant article is something that Facebook is aggressively pushing. So if you're publishing articles on your website and just bluntly sharing them on your Facebook fan page with your followers, it's not gonna work for a long time. It's not a long strategy anymore because it has changed. What you need to start doing is start publishing articles right inside Facebook. Now the problem with instant articles is it's a tiny bit technical to set up yourself. You have to set up an app, you have to create templates, create styles. As Facebook says, yeah, you need to create style, import your article, connect your site, then wait for the review, wait for your app to be approved, wait for the article to be approved, and it just takes a lot of time to publish one single article. So I've been testing this application that Sam Becker and Justin are pulling out today at 11 a.m. Eastern. It's called Instant Article Publisher. It's called Bold Publisher, actually. It's an instant article publisher. So what this web-based application essentially does is it takes away all this entire tedious technical process of setting up an instant article, and it makes it like super simple. So all you have to do is just log into this dashboard, connect your fan page, go to the articles part, click on the create new article, and just start creating an article and submit it, and it'll go live. Let me show you how it works. So I'm gonna select the campaign. I can select a cover image, which can be, let me see, got one. Okay. You don't have to really worry about the dimension of the header image. Facebook automatically resizes it. Now you can have a title for this the instant article that you're gonna publish. Let's say all I need to know about my guns, right? Gun rights. You can have subtitle something. Sorry guys, it's just super warning. I am not very creative at the moment, but you can have your author name right here, author description, something, and the publication date. So this is really critical. So you can postpone where you want this to be published. So let's say I want to publish this tomorrow, and 2016 at 11 a.m. Eastern, right? I click on save. Now the next page will take me where I can type in my article, like, and publish the entire creation part of the article. I can add my videos, I can add Instagram, I can add Twitter images, and a lot of other things. I'm gonna show that to you in a minute. And now we're on the text editor part of the article, and you can like just write in your article whatever you want. I really don't have a copy here to paste, but the thing is, like, if you've already written something, you can just paste it here, or you can just write the article here if you want. If you click on the plus button, you can add images right over here. You can add a video, you can add maps if you want, right? You can have pull codes from pull codes. You can add a sidebar. You can add Instagram images, Twitter codes, images with audio, parallax image. Parallax images are something, an image which scrolls while you're scrolling on the page. They look really beautiful. You can have a text over a background image or something. You can have your ads. You can have your email opt-in form, and you can have your buttons. Your buttons that can link to your checkout page or your website or anything. So yeah, there's just so much you can creatively do with instant articles, and this is the future, guys. This is something that Facebook is aggressively pushing out in the next couple of weeks, and this is the right time to get into it. If you're publishing any sort of blog post content for lead generation, for your branding, or for any purpose, you need to stop doing that and start putting them as an instant article on Facebook. And Bold Publisher is that one app that makes it super dead simple, if you ask me. You don't have to go about creating a style or importing an article, creating an app, all those tedious technical work. That's exactly what Hootsuite found, right? It's really technical. So Hootsuite said the setup requires some technical expertise. So if you want to do an instant article, it requires a lot of technical expertise. They had to get the dev team involved to set up. So it was that tricky. So if you want to get started really quick, Bold Publisher is the app. All you have to do is just go in and connect your Facebook fan page, and that is all. That is all you have to do, and start writing your article. That is pretty much all you need to do here. And you can format the text as well. I mean, if you write something, you can bold it, add format, text color, lots of customization things that you can do inside here. They also have a calendar thing, so where if you're publishing a lot of products, you can a lot of articles, you can just see on which date which article goes live, so you can schedule an article to go live. And they are also connected with GetAWriter and iWriter and TextBroker. So if you don't want to write your own articles, you can just connect with these guys, and they'll do the content writing for you. So yeah, instant article it's really critical. It's I really don't have enough words to tell you how important this really is right now. But yes, if you're doing any sort of blog posting, any sort of content marketing, you need to get on instant article. And if you're doing this manually, it's going to take a lot of time, a lot of technical expertise, and Bold Publisher makes it like super simple, right? And this is something that we are going to be using in our businesses. Starting, we have actually been using it on a different account, but we're gonna be aggressively using Instant Article on our businesses from the coming week. And I highly recommend that you start using Instant Article, and I highly recommend you start using Bold Publisher. And again, this goes live today at 11 a.m. Eastern. We've got a bunch of bonuses on this page if you scroll down. So it's an amazing deal. It's an amazing deal. For the first couple of hours, there's gonna be an early bird with a cheaper price, and after that, there's gonna be a slight price bump. So if you miss the early bird, you can still pick it up for a one-time payment instead of paying monthly. It's absolutely worth it. So yeah, this is Abhi Dwivedi signing off. Cheers.